Don't miss this free family-friendly museum in Taipei. Unbox Postal Museum Beimen Branch. Postal collection showcasing. Indoor kids activities ready. What's the purpose of this train cabin?
Hi, I'm TriPapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TriPapa's channel. This is a new program we call Family Activities with Locals. I'll be focusing on family-friendly activities in Taiwan. Today I'm exploring a fun and educational spot in Taipei with my little guy Leon. Unboxed Postal Museum Beimen Branch. And guess what? It has kids facilities, air conditioning. It's totally free to visit. Before revealing all the details of this free museum, as always, I'll let you know about another great family-friendly spot in Taiwan. Previously, we visited the Maokong Gondola right next to Taipei Zoo MRT Station. We enjoyed the great views and explored Maokong Station, sampling some delicious local snacks. For the full details, check the link below. Let's head inside and see what kind of postal fun we can find. Since we came with a stroller and there's no public elevator here, we were guided through a secret internal route inside the post office. Very cool. This cozy little museum is just a few minutes walk from Beimen MRT Station. While it's small but packed with cool exhibits, perfect for kids and families to spend about 1 to 1.5 hours. The museum isn't large, but it's definitely worth exploring, especially for younger kids who are used to sending messages nowadays. They might not know about putting letters into these red and green mailboxes. There's a kids zone with some hands-on interactive games. Plus, there are free stamps kids can take home as a fun souvenir from their visit. Hey Leon, where are you going? Oh, this train is Leon's favorite. In the past, there were mobile mail offices on trains in Taiwan that served remote towns. You'll also see some cool green postal vehicles. Sadly, they're not for sale. I really wanted to bring one home. On the other side, there's a section featuring animal-themed stamps. When I was a kid, collecting unique stamps was a really popular hobby, but that trend faded with the rise of the internet. Luckily, the post office has preserved all these memories and even set up a family zone for little ones to enjoy. In summary, the museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's closed on Mondays. It's a great indoor option for families with young kids. Since it's entirely free, we should truly cherish what the post office is offering and hope they'll continue upgrading the facilities. In my next video, we will explore the main postal museum with fun kids activities. It comes with showcasing the history and massive stamp collections from the Postal Office Taiwan.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.